Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Growit Garden Planner app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Growit is a garden planning and community-based gardening app designed to help users discover plants, share their gardens, and get local advice. It allows gardeners to browse plant ideas, learn what grows well in their region, and connect with other users to exchange tips. Growit also helps users track plants, explore plant information, and get inspiration from community-shared photos. It's available on both iOS and Android. The app's main feature is its community-driven plant discovery system. Users upload photos, rate plants, and give recommendations based on real gardening experience. Growit also offers localized suggestions so you can choose plants that grow best in your climate, helping beginners and hobby gardeners plan better gardens. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple interface, helpful community feedback, and the ability to see real gardens from real people. Its location-based plant suggestions and inspiration boards make it easy for beginners to learn what to grow. Users also like that it helps them identify plants shared by other gardeners. However, there are some drawbacks. The app does not include automated garden planning tools like reminders or detailed care schedules. Some users mention occasional issues with plant database accuracy or limited plant information for certain regions. In addition, community activity may vary depending on your location. In summary, the Growit app may be worth using if you want garden inspiration, community-based plant suggestions, and localized plant ideas. However, if you're looking for advanced garden planning tools or detailed plant care management, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.